These viral AI miniature restoring videos are taking over social media right now, and this Instagram page has just started, yet already gained over 72,000 followers by posting this exact style of content. What's even crazier is that some of the videos have already reached millions of views, and they're still counting. The best part is that these videos look incredibly realistic and satisfying, but they can actually be created with AI in just a couple of minutes. Now, watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. So, without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free.
First, head over to ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt and hit enter. It will instantly provide you 20 viral object names to choose from, or you can simply use your personal favorite object. This gives you plenty of ideas, so you never run out of content. Now, just select any one you like, and then head over to Flow AI and choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. Simply paste this prompt. You're going to find it in the description below. Once that's done, copy your favorite object name from ChatGPT and paste it into the desired object section inside the prompt. That's the only thing you need to change. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and within just a few seconds, your AI miniature restoring video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process. Just change the object each time, and you'll be able to create unlimited unique miniature restoring videos without spending hours editing. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.